Want to have a quick conversation with you today on this. Either May or Feb is when we expect the RBA to next drop the interest rates. So what we're hearing is the Commonwealth Bank and ANZ are saying that it should be Feb when the RBA drops interest rates, but Westpac and NAB are saying no, it's not going to be Feb, they expect it to be in May. But why? Well, the October inflation figures were actually released this week, and for me, they actually paint a pretty good picture. If you look at it, inflation annually and monthly is at 2.1%. That's phenomenal. It's within the target band of 2.2 to 3%. But if you look a bit closer, the problem is with the underlying inflation. And if you look at that, that sits at about 3.5%, which is slightly above economists' expectations. So that's the only worrying part, which is why some, Commonwealth Bank and ANZ have turned around and said, look, we expect the interest rates to drop later. Here's the thing though, they still expect the same amount of interest rate drops. So whether it starts in Feb or starts in May, they still expect interest rates to be at the same, drop to the same level by the end of the year. If they drop later, they'll drop faster, right? The real story is that banks have already started dropping their interest rates. They haven't waited for the Reserve Bank to drop interest rates. They're already dropping their interest rates, right? So the ANZ has dropped their variable interest rate by 0.15%. The Commonwealth Bank has dropped their variable rate by 0.15%. And NAB has cut their variable interest rate by 0.4%. That's almost 2 interest rate drops from the RBA, which are already being tabled, guys, by the major lenders right now. In fact, a dozen businesses have already dropped their interest rates in the month of November alone. But why is that? Well, they are going to compete for your business. They're competing for your business, guys. Your responsibility is to make sure that you and your family are getting the best deal when it comes to your mortgage and your interest rate. So here's a pro tip and a conversation that you can have with your lender to make sure you get the best interest rate. A simple script, you can just use it word for word, right? So call your lender. When they answer the phone, you say, hi, I'm looking at refinancing my mortgage to another lender who is offering a better interest rate than what I'm getting right now. But before I do that, I want to give you the chance to give me a better interest rate. What can you offer me? And then stop talking. Let them talk and see what they can do to take care of you and to keep your business. That's a simple script for you to follow, guys. A simple thing for you to do this side of Christmas, right? Why not put more money in your pocket for Christmas for you and your family rather than giving it to your bank? So Merry Christmas, guys. Much love, whānau. Peace out. A-Town.